Whether you're relocating within Melbourne CBD, moving to a new apartment, or transitioning your office to a new space, our experienced team is here to help. From carefully packing your belongings and delivering materials to executing seamless apartment or office moves, we handle every step with precision and care. Our removalists are extensively trained to provide top-tier service that meets the fast-paced demands of Melbourne city living. With Removalist Melbourne CBD, you can trust us to manage your move with professionalism and attention to detail. At Removalist Melbourne CBD, your satisfaction is our top priority. With years of expertise in city moves and a focus on excellence, we're proud to maintain a 5-star rating that showcases the trust and satisfaction of our clients. Get in touch with us today to book your local moving service. We're here to take the stress out of your city move. Your move is our mission.